What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Roman, and every single day we dig through the mud and the muck of the OTC markets, the Nasdaq, and the TSX to find you the absolute best small cap opportunities before they explode. Now listen to me very carefully, because what I am about to show you today is not just another stock list. This is a hit list. We are focusing exclusively on that sweet spot, penny stocks trading right now between $1 and $5. Why that range? Because anything under $1 comes with baggage, reverse splits, delistings, bankruptcy risks. But between $1 and $5, this is the launch pad. This is where institutions start to pay attention. This is where we see 5x, 10x, even 20x returns when the right catalyst hits. We are looking for companies with real businesses, real revenues, and massive near-term triggers that the market hasn't fully priced in yet. I've put together a list of 10 specific tickers that are on my personal radar this week. These are my favorites. These are the ones that have the perfect setup. Great charts, huge potential, and a surprise factor that most people are completely missing. But before we get into these 10 potential life changers, I need you to do two things for me. Seriously, it takes 2 seconds. First, hit that like button right now. Let's see if we can push this video to 500 likes in the first hour. And second, if you're serious about building wealth, if you're tired of watching other people get rich while you sit on the sidelines, you need to hit that subscribe button and make sure that little bell icon is turned on. You do not want to miss the updates on these plays when they move. All right, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. You know the rules. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm sharing my research and my opinions. The stock market is risky, especially in this space. You must do your own due diligence before you buy or sell any security. The responsibility is on you. Now let's get to the money. Let's open the vault. 10 stocks, 1 mission, finding the next runner. The first stock on my radar this week is Light AI, a company blending healthcare with artificial intelligence in a way that could fundamentally change how we treat one of the most common infections on the planet, strep throat. Light AI is developing a software-based diagnostic platform that uses your standard smartphone camera to differentiate between viral and bacterial infections by analyzing an image of your throat. No swabs, no lab work, no waiting. This is a software solution that could be deployed globally for almost zero marginal cost, and yet the market has not fully recognized its potential. If they finalize clinical trials and secure FDA approval, this could completely reshape diagnostics. Next is Rito Eco Solutions, a company tied to one of the biggest economic themes of the decade, China's green transformation. They specialize in ecological engineering solutions, such as water treatment, waste treatment, and environmentally friendly construction materials. The company has been dragged down by negative sentiment toward Chinese stocks, but the underlying business remains active, with contracts and government support. As China continues to push environmental reforms, companies like this could benefit significantly. Then there's the Metals Company, one of the most ambitious names on this list. They focus on harvesting polymetallic nodules from the deep ocean floor, nodules packed with nickel, cobalt, copper, and manganese, all critical for EV batteries and renewable energy infrastructure. The opportunity here is enormous, but the company's future depends heavily on international regulatory approval for deep-sea mining. If that happens, this stock could see explosive upside. Enthusiast Gaming is another name worth watching. They own gaming communities, esports brands, and digital platforms with huge Gen Z and millennial audiences. While digital media stocks have been crushed, the audiences are still there, and the company is working toward profitability. If they show strong earnings growth or become an acquisition target, the upside could be significant. iCore Connect is a SaaS company focused specifically on workflow and communications for medical and dental practices. It's not flashy, but it's solving real administrative problems in healthcare. A recent dilution scared investors away, but the capital raised could help fuel growth. If recurring revenues keep climbing, this could become a strong long-term performer. Blue Jay Diagnostics is developing a rapid point-of-care testing platform that can deliver life-saving diagnostic results in around 20 minutes. In healthcare, speed matters. Their system could transform emergency care if it gains regulatory approval. Delays have weighed on the stock, but if the FDA gives the green light, the upside may be enormous. CX App is an AI-driven workplace platform designed for the future of hybrid work. Their software helps companies manage office space, desk usage, conference rooms, and the overall workplace experience. With AI integration and enterprise adoption growing, the company could benefit as businesses modernize workplace operations. Imunon is a late-stage biotech firm developing immunotherapy treatments for ovarian cancer using a non-viral DNA to RNA delivery platform. This is a high-risk biotech play, but upcoming clinical data could be a major catalyst. If results are positive, this could be one of the most explosive stocks on the list. Werewolf Therapeutics is another beaten-down biotech stock with huge rebound potential. Regulatory setbacks crushed the share price, but if management resolves the FDA issues and gets trials moving again, the stock could re-rate sharply. It's risky, but the reward could be massive. Finally, UR Energy gives direct exposure to the uranium bull market. Nuclear energy demand is rising as countries and tech giants seek reliable, clean power. UR Energy is already producing uranium in the US, and as uranium prices rise, their margins could expand dramatically. This is one of the strongest macro-driven opportunities on the list. So there you have it. 10 stocks, 10 very different stories, each with its own potential catalyst. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these is your favorite? Which one do you think has the best chance to 10x first? Drop your ranking in the comments below because I read every single one. And if you found this video valuable and want to learn the exact system I use to find these kinds of opportunities before they run, let me know in the comments. I've put together a guide covering chart patterns, catalysts, and how to avoid the most common penny stock traps. If this video gets enough engagement, I'll drop the link. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is research. Always do your own due diligence, manage your risk, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. But if you stay disciplined, stay educated, and stay consistent, the stock market can be one of the greatest wealth-building tools on earth. My name is Roman. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for real-time updates. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money. Peace.